Do you think that is an old blackie? It doesn't look big enough.
That's absolutely the one up the top, man.
Maybe just because it's older.
You fell away underneath, I think so.
Aye. There's another old one though. We'll keep checking this hedge. A wee dunnock. Aye, definitely a dunnock. Just the one egg in it. That seems to be a favourable place, these trees, didn't they?
Aye, these are good, but good spot. There's an old one at the top there, but it's been that too.
Oh, so it is. What do you think that's been?
There's an old blackbird even, blackie.
Oh, you can just see where the cup's been.
It's maybe old or new, it's hard to tell.
It doesn't look too old though.
It's never been predated.
Maybe, aye.
Looks like something's been at that magpie.
That's your biggest problem. There's a pigeon's nest, like. Probably an old one, right enough.
You never know, maybe a base or something.
I know what you mean,
You know what I mean though?
part of it you would think looks old, but
No what a line in it, and that's the only thing. Like that.
does look like a bullfinch though, eh?
Oh, it's quite low down though, that's the only thing. But fine.
Aye, the bullfinch,
Exceptions.
bullfinch will usually nest higher. Aye, well, we'll come back and check it.
Aye.
It's perfect for oysters here though, eh? Right, I can see. That looks like a nest there. There's nothing in it. That's definitely an oyster's nest.
Yep.
Once you see it, you can't really unsee it, but it's hard to spot.
Oh, it's hard to spot when you first got there. It's amazing how the bird that we walk out there just keep it in.
Aye, we'll have a wee look, aye. But like that's all coarse rock,
Aye.
and then in there is like really fine stuff.
Oh.
Proven to be quite good, these wee hedges though, haven't they?
There's that one jump about in the hedge. It's no, you know, it's a wee. The thing is that's a wee outlet. Look. That's a long tail on that tree there. Is it? See what I mean?
Oh aye.
No, it's a bluetooth, is it? No. Hard to tell. Can you see?
Oh, that's a long tail.
Aye.
Aye. We'll check the wee nest just in there.
Ease away. Because you seem to go over there and like that tree there, look, see.
Aye.
Come in, that's a wee vantage point.
It's definitely a wee treat finding this though, eh? Wee long tail tit. Oh, a stunning wee nest that is though, eh? I mean, look at it.
Cobwebs, yeah.
Aye. Right, let's have a wee look. While she's no there. It doesn't look like it to me.